Hello and welcome. I'm Wander from Wanderlust Adventures, and today we are at D-Mart right here in Aochang in beautiful Tianjin. This area is a real mecca for foodies, but today, however, we are not going to a restaurant to get our fix. We are heading in the D-Mart, a store that is well stocked with all the great imported brands and food selections that, like myself, everyone eventually craves. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make authentic pizza right in your own home. Are you ready? Because I sure am. Come on! Alright, first you're going to need some dry active yeast, and this stuff right here is exactly what you're looking for. When making fresh pizza dough at home, you want to make sure you start with really good flour, and they've got it here. This is Bob's Red Mill all-purpose flour, and it is amazing. I swear by this brand, and it's the only thing I use at home for everything. Here we have Morton's sea salt. Now, I suggest using sea salt because it brings out the flavors. It's got a real natural ability to do that. Alright, next you're going to need some granulated sugar to activate that yeast, and they've got it right here. This is an Italian pizza sauce straight from Italy, one of the best imports you can find, and they've got it. Next you're going to need an olive oil, and they've got it right here with the Farcione olive oil in a very economic size. Okay, this is some of the best, and I personally use it at home. Alright, not only does D-Mart have an amazing selection of imported foods, but they've got a good selection of things you'll need for the house. One of those things happens to be a pizza pan, and they've got that too. Alright, let's head downstairs and check out the fresh food. Alright, not only do they have great dry goods, but they have some of the best sliced meats and cheeses you can ask for. Right now, we're going to grab that pepperoni. Alright, let's go find that cheese. Oh, it's right here. There it is. Okay, we've got everything we need, so let's head back home and make that pizza. Come on! So that is how you actually make the pizza. Pretty easy, huh? You just gotta be patient and wait for that dough. So, now that you've got that finished, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and then give that about 15 minutes in order for it to heat up. And then, once you're ready to go, pop that thing in. And it's that easy. Alright, I thought it would take about 15 minutes, but it looks like it took about 30, but it is done. So let's pull that bad boy out. Just look at that. Okay, so now it's time to cut into this bad boy and see what all of our hard work has done. Let's do it. Alright. It's good to start right on the edge. Just slam it down like that so you don't bust up the crust too much. Alright, give her a spin. Excellent. Oh, it's so thick. I love it. Oh, this is amazing. Now this recipe can actually make 2 pizzas depending on your cheese ratio, which is preferential to everybody. But yes, let's see what this is all about now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. Unbelievable! Absolutely perfect. And if you want to make this recipe just like I have, right? So follow the link below and check out what D-Mart has going on because they will get you sorted. Until then, I'm going to finish this pizza off and have a good night. Take care, guys, and we'll see you again.